Okay. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Mikołaj. I have 24 years old. I'm a student from Poland, and I have opportunity to make an internship in Thailand.
Thank you. Two. How many countries is available for you to choose in IAESTE program? Why do you choose Thailand for your IAESTE participation?
So it's opportunity to choose one of the country, one of around 80 country, and I decided to choose Thailand because I think that's a good opportunity to travel the world, and it's like a pretty far away from the Poland, and I want to share experience with another culture, knowledge, and I think that was the best option for me to go on the internship.
Okay, thank you. Three. In Thailand, how many institutes you can choose to participation? Why do you choose IMUTP?
So I can choose only one option because in my offer was that university, so that was my goal to go on this university.
Okay, thank you. For what is your first impression of Thailand?
So my first impression was that the people are very kind and everyone is very helpful for me, and it's like a little bit hot.
Thank you. What do you like the most about Thailand?
Like I said before, I think the kindness of the people and the food, it's also super good for me. I very like Thai food. And I think like also there's like a lot of interesting thing what you can do in the Thailand is a lot of beautiful place. So in the weekend I can travel with my friends and see all Thailand.
Oh, thank you. What do you hate the most about Thailand?
So I love and I hate the weather because some days it's like super hot and it's like killing me. Yeah, so definitely the weather.
Okay. What is your first impression of IMUTP?
And so my first impression was a kind person, and like everyone went to help me in my first day to acclimatize and show me how the universities work and how my internship will look like.
Thank you. Okay. During the 12 week, what did you hear? Please explain.
So in first week, I was learning how to use from laboratory machine, and I was participating with some project from other students to look how it's working here. And after that, I got my own project, the project about seed dots from mango peels. And I was like making a research on FTR, XID and other laboratory stuff. I also made a prototype of spin cording machine, which helped me put my substance after mango peel to the laboratory glass to make a research. And the final of my project was making a poster, which I shown on the conference in the university. On this poster I put all the most important information about my project, about my research, how it's look like all process. So that was my main project on my internship.
Okay, thank you. What else did you learn from working here at IMUTP?
So what else? I also participation in some other classes when I can show how it's make a glass, or with the classes about prototyping and 3D printing. So that was good opportunity to know something other than only my project. And I also was on the trip with some student, because one of the professors invited me to go on the trip on the weekend, and that was like pretty nice trip.
Yeah, thank you. What is the most valuable memory or experience you have during these 12 weeks?
So I think the most valuable memory was every time when I can go out with my friends to know better Thai culture, Thai food, meet new people. So yeah, definitely meeting new people and explore the city is the best part of internship. Yes, so that's my prototype of screen printing machine. I have to make this machine because it will be help me in my project. My project was about the synthesis of carbon dots from mango waste milk. So in the first part of my internship, I was focused to make this machine. I don't have a lot of stuff with electrical, so I have to learn about how to build this machine. But it's like very helpful because I can discover something new and learn. So I made this machine, and after that I was focused on my project. I was starting the synthesis of the mango waste milk. So all process start from prepare the peel, to grind the peel with the DI water, then to make a hydrothermal carbonization, and after this substance I used to certificate to my final substance, which I put on the samples. That's the samples. That's the samples. Inside is like a sample. Yes. So I have to like prepare the glasses, then I put the samples on the glass, and I use two methods putting on the sample. One on the hot glasses, and it's drying, and another to buy. There's like a glasses where we use this machine, and how you can see it's like almost clear compared to these glasses. Yeah, but on this one it's also this substance. But I use this machine to make a surface film on the glasses. So it's super thin, not that big like in the previous one. And on these samples, I make research. I make FTR test and XRD test, and that's the result of my test. And after that, I make a little analysis, and I put all this information on this poster, which we show on the conference. So like the conference was the main part of my internship, when I can show for everyone my result and answer about the question on all the project. So that was.
This is a mango peel,
Yeah.
and it's a carbon dot.
Yes.
Before after.
Yeah. Like before, that's like the peel and like the anti-glasses and glass with the filter. So then I can compare the Kabanda with the normal. Yeah, and I have like a lot of another opportunity to do on my internship. Another professor showed me the classes, how it's for the glass, how it's made, or for the prototyping classes. I also have opportunity go on the trip to the national park with professor and the student. So that was like a pretty good trip, and I really like it because that's the opportunity to travel a little bit into Thailand, and like professors can be shown some of his majority, because I think that was student from environment studies, so that was very interesting for me.
All right. Can you tell a little bit about the job that you were assigned here when you do the program here in RMUTP?
Yeah, so like my first task was like prepare for all my project, and I have to make a prototype of the machine spin coating because like in the future I will use this to make all my research. So I have to learn about more how the machine is work and like do this machine myself. So it's take me a little time. But step by step, with help of my supervisor, I will make this machine. Yeah, so that was like my first task, and I think I will make it.
And like, what is the most difficult thing you think for your project?
The most difficult part was I don't know exactly every part of the steps which I have to make in my project. So I have to learn about, like read, make a research, analyze the result, the machine. So yeah, that was the hardest part of my project, to know better about every steps which I have to make.
And if you have to score yourself, like what is the percentage of the complete project from what you were expecting?
I think like more than 80%, because my final result I put on the poster, and we present this poster on the conference, and I think it was good, so no one complained about that. So if I no one complained, and I'm good with all my project, so I think that's good for me.
Do you think this is a good learning experience for you, like compared to what you learned like in the material side back in Poland? Is that help, or it gonna help you for your study in the future?
Yes, definitely will be help me. I have to learn more about this part of knowledge, but it's connection with my major, and definitely helped me to discover every part of material science and other part of knowledge which can help me in the future.
Right, thank. I hope you enjoy your experience here.
Yeah, I'm enjoying much, so I'm very grateful that I have opportunity to make this internship on the university, and that was super great time for me.
And how is the material science student? Are they helpful? Are they help you?
Yeah, they helped me a lot. Like on the first part of my internship, I was learning for students how to prepare the samples, how to use some laboratory machine. So everyone was kind and helped me to understand better my project.